think nature has the obvious benefits that's easy for all of us to understand. It provides us with food, water and air. But often I think people forget all the other benefits that it can give to us. For me, it really helps me gain perspective of my place on this earth.
For me, sometimes life can be a bit of a struggle. You know, you feel cooped up when you're inside, and there's nothing better than getting outside, seeing the sun, feeling it on your skin, getting into the ocean, going for a walk in the bush. It truly is priceless, and it's something we can all do on a daily basis for free. It's just the greatest thing, getting outside, having a clear mind. It satisfies you to the core, and you're set for the rest of the day. It's the best feeling.
Pretty easy to do really, getting out into nature. I'm always spotting something new. I dawn surf before work and I'm buzzing all day. Not a worry in the world.
National parks have this tendency to seem so far away when you're at home. They're so easy to get to, and that's something we always forget. They're full of hidden gems, and you never know what you're going to find until you go there and you explore. And seriously, if we don't start visiting and valuing nature now, who's going to care about it in the future? And who will be around to protect it?
Man, sometimes I forget how sick it feels to get out into nature, and then when I do get out there I remember it again. Aiming to get out into nature once a week is a really good goal, and that's what our project is all about, getting other people to do the same. It's flippin' worth it.